Welcome to the future of YouTube growth. In today's video, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of AI tools that can supercharge your channel's visibility and skyrocket your view count. Getting organic views on YouTube requires a combination of strategic planning, quality content creation, and effective promotion. Create high-quality content. Make sure your videos are engaging, informative, entertaining, or otherwise valuable to your target audience. Quality content is more likely to be shared and recommended by viewers. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve their visibility in YouTube search results. Research popular keywords related to your content using tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube's own search suggestions. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos across your social media channels, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Encourage your followers to watch and share your content with their networks. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with other content creators in your niche for collaborations or shoutouts. Optimize your channel. Make sure your YouTube channel is well organized and visually appealing. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Design visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent your video content and entice viewers to click. Optimize your video length. Pay attention to your video's length. Monitor your analytics. Keep track of your video performance using YouTube Analytics. Here are some AI tools that can assist you in getting YouTube views. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that provides various tools to optimize your YouTube channel and videos. Install the TubeBuddy extension for your browser. Use TubeBuddy's keyword research tool to find high-ranking keywords for your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Utilize TubeBuddy's A/B testing feature to optimize your video thumbnails for higher click-through rates. Take advantage of TubeBuddy's tag suggestions to improve the discoverability of your videos. Canva is a graphic design platform that offers templates for creating eye-catching thumbnails. Sign up for a free Canva account. Choose a thumbnail template or create a custom design. Customize the template with relevant images, text, and colors. Download your thumbnail and upload it to your YouTube video. Answer the Public helps you discover popular questions and topics related to your video's subject matter. Visit the Answer the Public website. Enter a keyword or topic related to your video content. Review the generated list of questions and topics. Use these insights to create video titles, descriptions, and content that address common viewer queries. Google Trends shows you the popularity of search queries over time, helping you identify trending topics. Visit the Google Trends website. Enter keywords or topics related to your video content. Explore trending topics and related queries. Create videos around trending topics to capitalize on current interests. Social Blade provides analytics and statistics for YouTube channels, helping you track your channel's performance and compare it to others. Visit the Social Blade website. Search for your YouTube channel or a competitor's channel. Analyze key metrics such as subscriber count, views, and engagement. Use insights from Social Blade to optimize your content strategy and improve your channel's performance. Keyword Tool. Keyword Tool generates long-tail keyword suggestions based on search queries, helping you optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Visit the Keyword Tool website. Enter a seed keyword related to your video content. Review the generated list of long-tail keyword suggestions. Incorporate relevant keywords into your video metadata to improve search visibility. Headline Analyzer. Headline Analyzer evaluates the emotional impact and effectiveness of your video titles. Visit the Headline Analyzer website. Enter your video title. Review the analysis, including scores for emotional impact, word balance, and headline length. vidIQ is a YouTube-certified browser extension that provides analytics, keyword research, and optimization tools. Install the vidIQ extension for your browser. Use vidX's keyword research tool to find relevant keywords for your video content. Analyze competitor videos to identify opportunities for improvement. Optimize your video metadata based on vidX's recommendations to increase visibility and engagement. Pixlr is a free online photo editor that allows you to enhance and customize images for your video thumbnails. Visit the Pixlr website. Upload your thumbnail image or create a new design. Use Pixlr's editing tools to adjust colors, add text, and apply effects. Save your edited thumbnail and upload it to your YouTube video. Clipchamp is a free online video editor that allows you to edit and enhance your video content before uploading it to YouTube. Visit the Clipchamp website. Sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Upload your video footage to the Clipchamp editor. Edit your video by trimming, adding text, applying filters, and more. Export your edited video and upload it to your YouTube channel. ViralStat is an AI-powered platform that analyzes social media content performance. It provides insights into trending videos and helps identify viral content. With ViralStat, you can track trending videos in your niche and gain insights into what makes them successful. By identifying patterns and trends, you can create content that has a higher chance of going viral and gaining views rapidly. Synthesia is an AI-powered video creation platform that allows you to create highly engaging videos using AI-generated avatars. Synthesia enables you to create personalized and attention-grabbing videos quickly. By leveraging AI avatars, you can create compelling content that stands out and attracts views due to its unique presentation. ByteDance's Volcano engine, ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, has developed an AI-powered content recommendation engine called Volcano Engine. Volcano Engine analyzes user behavior and preferences to recommend content to users. By understanding how the algorithm works, you can tailor your content to increase its chances of being recommended to a wider audience, potentially resulting in a surge of views. entice Image Colorizer. entice Image Colorizer is an AI tool that automatically adds color to black and white images. By leveraging this tool, you can transform ordinary black and white images into visually striking thumbnails that stand out in search results and attract more clicks. Eye-catching thumbnails can lead to higher click-through rates and ultimately more views on your videos. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation platform that converts text into engaging video content. With Lumen 5, you can quickly turn blog posts, articles, or other written content into captivating videos. By repurposing existing content into video format, you can attract a new audience and drive more views to your YouTube channel. Tubix is an AI-powered YouTube SEO tool that helps optimize your videos for higher search rankings. Tubix provides keyword suggestions, analyzes your video's metadata, and offers optimization tips to improve your video's visibility in YouTube search results, leading to more organic views. Keyword Tool Dominator uses AI algorithms to generate long-tail keyword suggestions for YouTube. By discovering less competitive yet highly relevant keywords, you can optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to attract organic traffic from specific search queries. Clidio is an AI-powered online video editing tool that offers features like trimming, merging, and adding subtitles to videos. With Clidio, you can edit your videos to make them more engaging and shareable, which can increase watch time and encourage viewers to share your content, ultimately leading to more organic views. Vidooly is an AI-powered video analytics and marketing tool that provides insights into your YouTube channel's performance and audience behavior. By analyzing audience demographics, engagement metrics, and competitor data, Vidooly helps you optimize your content strategy to attract and retain more organic viewers. Promo.com is an AI-driven video creation platform that offers templates and tools to create professional-looking videos. With Promo.com, you can create engaging promotional videos for your YouTube channel, increasing viewer interest and driving organic traffic through social media shares and referrals. Hootsuite is a social media management platform that uses AI to optimize posting times and content performance. By scheduling and promoting your YouTube videos on social media channels at optimal times, Hootsuite helps you reach a larger audience and drive more organic views. Pixmoto is an AI-powered video creation platform that allows you to create dynamic video ads and content. With Pixmoto, you can create attention-grabbing video ads and promos for your YouTube channel, increasing viewer engagement and driving organic traffic through ad placements and social media sharing. Rocketium is an AI-powered video creation platform that automates the video production process. With Rocketium, you can create personalized and engaging videos at scale, allowing you to consistently produce high-quality content that attracts organic views on YouTube. Story Express is an AI-powered video creation and hosting platform that focuses on creating personalized video experiences. By creating personalized video content for your audience, Story Express helps you build stronger connections and drive more organic views through word-of-mouth referrals and social sharing. Quick by GoPro. Quick is an AI-powered video editing app that automatically edits your footage into compelling videos. With Quick, you can quickly edit and enhance your videos on the go, making them more engaging and shareable, which can lead to increased organic views on YouTube. These AI tools offer various functionalities to help you optimize your YouTube channel, create engaging content, and attract organic views. And there you have it, folks. With the power of AI at your fingertips, there's no limit to what you can achieve on YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, incorporating these innovative tools into your workflow can make all the difference. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights to take your channel to the next level. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.